Vithika, how are the Gulf stock markets doing so far?
So let's start with Saudi. Tadawul, that closed lower on Sunday, weighed down by petrochemical stocks, started Monday's trading on a high. Saudi Basic Industries, the biggest petrochemical firm that slid 0.5% on Sunday, is now up by 0.25%. Sahara Petrochemicals, the worst performer on Sunday after it went ex-dividend, is up by 0.5%. Moving on to Qatar, the index itself started up by 0.25%, with the insurance sector mainly trading flat. Most banking stocks are down, though the biggest telecom provider, Vodafone Qatar, is up by 3%. Here in the UAE, Abu Dhabi's index is trading higher. Abu Dhabi National Energy Company, or TAQA, continues to be the most heavily traded stock in the market and is the biggest gainer so far, rising almost 6%, continuing a sharp uptrend that began in March. The Dubai stock market was weighed down by the real estate sector, with Damac Properties seeing a 7% drop after the shareholders approved a cash dividend.
Well, you were talking about properties. Now, we know that Dubai's Emaar property stock is actually seeing volatility at the moment. What is the reason behind it?
Yes, the biggest real estate developer in the UAE, Emaar Properties, opened higher on Monday despite closing almost 1% lower on Sunday. The developer that operates across the region has announced the distribution of $272 million dividend to its shareholders. This brings the total cash dividend for the year to $1 billion. The distribution of $817 million in dividend was approved at Emaar General Meeting in January this year. The new dividend came from the proceeds of the public offering of shares of Emaar Development and represents 14% of the share capital. The real estate company's stock is the most traded by volume on DFM and was up by 0.5% a short while ago.
No, great stuff. Thank you so much. That's Vihika Jain for us from Dubai.